guys, today we're gonna make a video about a face which is like this. You can see, which is like that. So what we're gonna need is a pencil, scissors, and a glue, and some googly eyes, and some toothpicks. So what we're gonna do first is take one. Next, what we're gonna do is this. Cut one piece of here. I'm gonna cut it here. There we go. Now we're gonna go like this. Like this. But then, first thing, let's open up. We're gonna need this. First, so now we're gonna do googly go. We're gonna put this like this. Got it? Okay. Yoshi. Now it's good. Now what we're gonna do is put a face on here. Perfect. Now guys, now when we stand this up, that means it's not falling down. So now, what we're gonna do is some eyes. I'm gonna pick big, like some big eyes. I'll pick this one and this. You can pick your own one, but I'm picking the biggest ones. So now we're gonna put this here, right? On the left here, what we're gonna put is glue on like this. Then we're gonna put this on here, and then we're gonna put it on here. Come on. Now it's good. Now, put it like that. Put it on here. There we go. It looks perfect. Just like this. This is how it needs to be. Now, it's gonna be, we're gonna cut the scissors. So, we're gonna do a circle. Come on, let's do it. So here on the top, we're gonna go all the way down to down and down like this. Now we're gonna need some scissors. Now let's cut. I'm gonna do it from this one. It's good. We're gonna stick it in. Okay, that's good. And put it here. This just perfect. Now we're going to put this all in. Now we're gonna see this. Now we're gonna cut this. to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this.